Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Afika Sunaria, and today I would like to present my best reading report about a novel entitled Antares, written by Reinda and published in 2020 year. Among all the texts that I read during this extended reading course, I chose Antares as my best reading because it was the most interesting and memorable for me. This novel is categorized as young adult romance novel, but it also contains important themes such as friendship, loyalty, family, trust, responsibility, and personal growth. Summary: Antares, the story of Antares Sebastian Aldevaro, a charismatic, respected student who is also the leader of motorcycle gang called Carderius, although Antares appears strong and confident, he has many personal struggles and responsibilities. His life began to change when he meets Jaya, a new student who transferred to his school. At first, Jaya seemed like an ordinary student, but she actually has a special reason for getting close to Antares. As the story developed, Antares and Jaya become close and start building a relationship. However, their journey is not easy because many secrets from the past begin to emerge. The secret create conflict and affect not only Antares and Zia but also their friends and family. Throughout the novel, readers can see how the character face different challenges, make different difficult discussion, and learn important lessons from their experience. The story explores themes of friendship, loyalty, sacrifice, trust, and love. It also knows that every person has struggles that may not always be visible to others. Evaluation now. I would like to discuss the strength and weakness of this novel. One of the great strengths of Antares is its engaging storyline. The plot is emotional and interesting, making reader want to continue reading to find out what happened next. The story contains many surprising moments that keep readers curious. Another strike in the characteristic on the main character, especially Antares and Zia, are well developed and memorable. Its character has unique personality, background, and motivation because of this reader can easily connect with them and understand their feeling. The writing style is also easy to understand. The language used by the author is simple and suitable for young reader. This makes the novel enjoyable even for people who do not usually read long novel. In addition, the novel contains meaningful message it teacher reading about friendship, loyalty, trust, and understanding other people. These values are important in every life, and can inspire reading to become better individual. However, the novel also has some weakness. Some parts of the story are predictable, especially for readers who are familiar with romance novel. Certain events can be guessed before they happen. Another weakness is that some scans are quite dramatic, while this may make the story more emotional. Some reader may feel the curtain situation are exaggerate. The novel is also relatively long because of its length. Some reader may need more time and patience to finish reading it despite this weakness. I believe that the strength of the novel are much greater than its limitation. Personal response. Personality. Antares is my favorite reading from this course. I enjoy reading this novel because the story is entertaining and emotionally engaging. I was interested in the relationship between Antares and Zia and wanted to know how their story will develop. I also like how the character grow throughout the novel. They face many challenges, made mistakes, and learned from their experience. This made the story feel more realistic and meaningful. For from this novel, I learned that loyalty and trust are very important in relationship. I also learned that everyone faces problems in life, and it is important to support and understand one another during difficult times. Another lesson I learned is that personal growth often comes from overcoming challenge. The character became stronger because of the ob- obstacles they faced, and this inspired me to think positive about difficulties in my own life. Because this reason, Antares left a strong impression on me and became the most memorable text that I read during the extensive reading course. Conclusion. In conclusion, Antares is an interesting and meaningful young adult novel written by Reinda. The story combines romance, friendship, loyalty, and personal growth in an engaging way. Although the novel has some weakness, such a predictable moment and dramatic scene, it remains enjoyable and valuable for readers. Overall, I highly recommend Antares to teenagers and young adults because it provides both entertainment and important life lessons.